Owning your own business is a lot of work, from ordering to stocking the shelves to doing the bookwork. Every little part of that is incorporated into running a store. I don't know that a lot of people could be in business with their wife. I'm real fortunate that we can. I go by Bill, and my wife Sherry, we're the owners of the Rusty Harpoon. This has been an ongoing, successful business for 43 years. We have a lot of customers that come in and say, we shopped in here when you were young. Reputation is everything in this town. We get referrals all the time, say, well, the place you have to go is the Rusty Harpoon because they're gonna treat you right. I had a legal issue that came up that I needed some input on. I'd never been through a case before, so I didn't know where to turn. Michaela worked for us for a number of years through college and grad school. We kind of watched her grow a little bit, finding her footing as an attorney. I mentioned her name to a couple of attorneys that I already knew, and I got the feedback that she was a very credible person. I called asking, what do you think? And knowing Michaela, I knew I'd get a straight answer.
Going to Michaela and Chris, we just felt like they knew what they were doing.
I think they make a great team. There's so many variables in a case like this, and she seemed to have a real ability to keep the whole thing in focus.
And everything was done on time, the way the court expected it. You
can tell by the way the judges react to her, there's a respect level that's there. I actually believe in win-win situations, and I think she did come out with a win-win. When you open yourself up to a court case, you're very emotional and very exposed. But going through it with somebody that's comfortable and competent and seeing the whole picture, that just makes it a whole lot easier. You always feel comfortable around Michaela and Chris, as you're going to get a fair assessment of your situation. You're going to feel a comfort level from the very beginning because that's their nature. That lifted such a weight off of me. They're not in it for themselves. They're in it for justice. They're in it for helping you. You always feel that from the very beginning. I couldn't be happier. You know, you become a customer forever. You get adopted into the family. And that's what I felt with Kelly and Canterbury.